Hi, today in front of me Galaxy S23 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first to do that, we should open the settings application and after that scroll down and tap the wallpaper and style section. Then click to change wallpaper. Here we can see our photos from our device gallery. If you got some photos just previously taken on your device camera, downloaded from the internet. Also we got here the just the default photos, the colors. Also you can use the wallpaper services like the, for example, the dogs or cats. Just to download it, be sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi and another mobile data. So that's the dynamic wallpaper, lock screen wallpapers. So every time when you'll just unlock your screen, you'll see another wallpaper here. So for example, let's first set the one from the default wallpapers to our lock screen. Just tap to the wallpaper which you like. Here you'll see lock and home screen, and select home screen to change only the lock screen wallpaper. Then tap to next. Here tap to done. On the right upper corner we can see that changes applied to lock screen. So let's just lock our device and we can see that we just successfully change it. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the free space on your device home screen, then on the left down corner tap here to wallpaper and style section, and by the same way tap to change wallpaper. Now for example, let's use the dynamic wallpaper. For example, the docs, we just downloaded it before, so it's a wallpaper. This wallpaper is applied successfully, so let's just check it, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.